Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn about uppercase letter I. Let's learn how to write uppercase letter I. Tracing letters. I. Draw a long straight line from top to bottom. Repeat again. Draw a long straight line from top to bottom. Let's practice how to write letter I. Well done kids, you are doing great. Well done kids, you are doing great. Good job. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.